Hi everyone and welcome to Adult Health Essentials. Do you feel your skin is dry, rough, or getting bruises without any reason? This could be more than just aging or stress. It might be a sign that your body is low in vitamin C. Today we will talk about 7 skin problems that happen when you don't get enough vitamin C, why this vitamin is important, and how you can fix it naturally. Let's begin. What is vitamin C and why is it important for skin? Vitamin C is a natural vitamin that helps make collagen in your body. Collagen keeps your skin strong, smooth, and healthy. Vitamin C also helps your skin heal from wounds and protects it from damage. If you don't get enough vitamin C, your skin will show clear signs. Sign of dry and rough skin. Vitamin C helps keep your skin moist and soft. If you don't get enough, your skin may feel dry, flaky, or rough, especially on your face, elbows, or knees. Sign 2. Easy bruising. Do you get bruises even from small touches? Vitamin C keeps your blood vessels strong. Without it, your skin bruises easily. Sign 3. Slow healing of cuts or wounds. If your small cuts or pimples take too long to heal, this could be a sign of vitamin C deficiency. Collagen helps wounds heal fast, and low vitamin C means low collagen. Sign 4. Red or purple spots on skin. Some people get red dots or purple patches on their skin. This happens because the small blood vessels under the skin break easily when vitamin C is low. Sign 5. Premature wrinkles. If you are seeing lines and wrinkles earlier than usual, vitamin C might be missing in your diet. Vitamin C helps your skin stay firm. Without it, your skin gets loose faster. Sign 6. Swollen or bleeding gums. Yes, your gums are also a part of your skin. If they bleed or swell often, this could be due to vitamin C deficiency. Sign 7. Dark patches or skin discoloration. Vitamin C also helps your skin stay bright and even. If you see uneven skin tone or dark spots, it could mean your skin needs more vitamin C. Why does vitamin C deficiency happen in the USA? In the USA, many people eat fast food and processed meals. These foods don't have enough vitamins. Also, smoking, drinking alcohol, and stress can lower your vitamin C levels. How to get more vitamin C naturally? Here are some natural foods rich in vitamin C. Oranges, strawberries, bell peppers, kiwi, broccoli. Try to eat these every day. They are good for your skin and your whole body. If you have many of these signs, talk to a doctor and ask about your vitamin C levels. You can also take vitamin C supplements, but always follow your doctor's advice. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like it, share it, and subscribe to our channel, Adult Health Essentials, for more health tips made for adults like you. Take care of your skin and stay healthy.